Welcome back to Xplorer, your go-to channel for the latest in mobile tech. Today, we are diving into the much-anticipated iPhone 4, Apple's next big move in the affordable smartphone market. With major upgrades on the way, is this the budget-friendly iPhone we have all been waiting for? Let's find out. The iPhone 4 is getting a much-needed design overhaul. According to leaks, it will sport a larger 6.1-inch display, much like the design of the iPhone XR. This is a big jump from the current 4.7-inch display on the 3. With thinner bezels and a notch on the front, this model will feel far more modern and premium compared to previous generations. The all-screen design will likely ditch the home button, which might mean Face ID for the first time in the lineup, although some reports suggest Apple could go for a Touch ID integrated into the power button, similar to the iPad Air. Under the hood, the 4 is expected to come packed with Apple's A18 Bionic chip, the same processor seen in the iPhone 14 Pro models. This means that even though it's a budget iPhone, it won't be compromising on power or efficiency. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using demanding apps, the 4 will handle it all with ease. With 4 GB of RAM and storage options likely starting from 64 GB, this phone should meet the needs of most users. Plus, you'll enjoy 5G connectivity, bringing super-fast download speeds and smoother streaming experiences. Apple's series has always delivered reliable camera performance, and the iPhone 4 should be no different. Leaks suggest it will come with a single 12MP rear camera, but don't let that fool you. Apple's software optimizations mean you'll still get impressive photos with smart HDR, deep fusion, and improved low-light performance. The front-facing camera is expected to get an upgrade too, possibly bringing 12MP for clearer selfies and better video calling quality. Battery life has been a weak spot in previous models, but with a more efficient A16 chip and a slightly larger battery, the 4 should give you a full day of moderate use. Plus, expect fast charging and MagSafe support for a faster and more convenient charging experience. The iPhone 4 is expected to launch in early 2024, possibly around March or April. Pricing will likely stay in the affordable range, starting at around $429, making it one of the best value for money options in the iPhone lineup. The iPhone 4 looks set to be a game changer in the budget smartphone market. With a modern design, the power of the A16 chip, and a familiar iPhone experience, this could be the perfect option for anyone who wants a powerful iPhone without the flagship price tag. What do you think? Will you be upgrading to the 4? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews right here on Xplorer.